Honorable members, on Thursday when Lope raised that issue, he said they were thugs, and I made him to withdraw that word. And that's why I was just reminding him that they are not thugs. Now it is security personnel who have got back the people. He alleged that they were thugs. So now he has said it is security personnel who have delivered back, who released the people. That's why I mentioned the thugs. Yes.
I said, I hope government can come and own up so that we don't take these to be goons. Because the way they conducted the arrest, they were in plain clothes, they had guns, they were driving ordinary cars.
Can you conclude?
And so, no one could identify them as security persons. And so we're asking government, either these are goons or you own up. And as I conclude that particular matter, right, Honorable Speaker, I really want to call upon government. Let's observe the law. When you want to conduct an arrest, our laws are clear. The Constitution, the Police Act, and the plethora of other laws in our country. How you get to conduct an arrest. Right, Honorable Speaker, we might have a challenge in this country at some point. That these fellows in plain clothes will go with guns, try and abduct somebody, and assuming the person fights back and maybe kills one of them, under what law are you going to charge this person who is acting in self-defense? Because this person is saying, I don't know who you are. You are in plain clothes, you have guns, you have come to attack me. If this person fights back and harms one of them, you cannot charge them. So let's follow the law. That's my appeal, and I hope that we can get to do that. Honorable Speaker, in similar vein, I again want to call on government in following the law. Our Constitution, Article 27 thereof, provides for a couple of things. Government can get to search any premises, and this is because we were raided, my political party was raided, headquarters, by different security outfits, chased away our party officials, broke our doors, took away laptops, money, and several other things. And what has perplexed me, right, Honorable Speaker, is I don't know why government cannot follow some simple basics of the law. No one stops you from conducting a search, even at my house. You have a right to conduct a search. But one, come with a search warrant. Two, let me be present. We have keys to our offices. Why do you have to break? Yet we have keys and we can open for you. Can we follow these simple precepts of the law? You have a right to conduct a search anywhere, by the way. Anywhere. Including in my office here at Parliament, because I'm in it today, tomorrow I'm not. But can you follow the law in doing that? Because now you break and damage property, we have got to replace that, money is taken, computers and so on. Why don't we follow the law? It would be different if you had come with a warrant and said, open, we want to search, and we refuse. There you can do whatever you want to do, but you didn't do that. Government, why do we not want to follow the law? Because then you make people to become suspicious about several things.
You mean your office was broken in?
Yes, right, Honorable Speaker. Yes, right, Honorable Speaker. And I saw police actually justifying it, saying they went to pick some exhibits. I said, but now, which court of law are you going to use those exhibits in? Because no one was there to corroborate. How do I be brought to court to say, you concede that this was gotten from your office or from your premises, when I was not there? Honorable Speaker, hopefully the Attorney General responds to these issues. Finally, right, Honorable Speaker, so that he responds generally.
There is an order.
No problem.
Right, Honorable Speaker. And honorable members, like you said, Parliament has got a lot of work. Whenever we come here, you are dragged, right, Honorable Speaker, into unfounded allegations. Unfounded allegations. And I believe the reason is to make government look dirty. This government has protected Ugandans, and that's why everybody is proud, including investors. Is it in order
for the LOP all the time to come here to dirty the government. Yes, that is the intention. In my presence as a leader of government. Are you in order?
Key institution to governance and democracy. The leader of opposition raised the issues of abduction, issues of raiding political parties' offices, but also we have an unfinished issue of the implementation of the Supreme Court judgment. I thought that the Attorney General is going to develop appetite to respond to these issues. Because as far as I know, you have partially transmitted files. There are other people who are still crying there before they are in jail, their warrants ended. I thought you will brief Parliament, because Parliament, and I want to thank you, Madam Speaker, on this issue. But I am raising a procedure. I don't know what's wrong with people who put on military uniforms when they are civilians. Because in the military, there are no procedure. Is that what you want to suggest, Honorable Abe? When others are raising procedure, you wait. Procedure are not raised concurrently. So, Madam Speaker, I want to seek for your indulgence for the Attorney General to lay the fears, not only of those of us who are here, but the country, on issues of abduction, issues of raiding political parties' headquarters, but also issues of getting everybody who has a file, like the Supreme Court ruled, transferred. When are they going to be transferred? You cannot transfer them at leisure.
Honourable members, I am happy that the rules of procedure. Honourable members, on Thursday when Lope raised that issue, he said they were thugs, and I made him to withdraw that word. And that's why I was just reminding him that they are not thugs. Now it is security personnel who have got back the people. He said, he alleged that they were thugs. So now he has said it is security personnel who have delivered back, who released the people. That's why I mentioned the thugs. Yes, when you make the house unruly, you will miss out even to speak what you're supposed to speak. But I want to reiterate this. And this information goes even to the people out there. This madness of parading our old parents. Huh? Order to who? You cannot start parading all the people in the name of compensation. You bring all the people all the way from Teso. That can never happen, and it should never happen. And we are looking for the people who are doing that. Next item.
Item 3 on the order paper.